Doing it?
Go ahead, Britt. Go.
Don't video it.
Too late. Go.
Just do it. Why? I don't want you to video it. I'm scared.
Yeah, we have to video it.
Can I'll do it if you won't.
No.
I'm scared. Can I please do it?
We'll help you. Come on.
Can I please
No,
do it?
y'all shove my face in it, I will hurt you.
Can I do it?
Which part of my face?
All of it.
Your face
Won't you be able to
into
breathe?
it. Have you done this before? Yes, I've done it before. Oh my god, can I have this little in piece right here and we can do it together? Yeah. Thank you. Please, can I have this little corner piece? Mine's a little corner piece. Come on, Annette, be a good mom. You're let me do it. Not that you're not. You're an amazing mom. Can I have this little piece she cut out? No one's gonna eat that. It's a little corner.
I'm gonna eat this entire cake.
Here, use mine. Use this. You can do that, and it's nice and
Here.
ice creamy.
Okay, ready? Okay, wait, hold on.
Which part of your face are you gonna do?
I'm
It's
just
kind
gonna
of cool though.
hold on.
Go for real.
Wait, start over this video.
Okay.